For those of you who are new, the reason why you will see me very upset in the next clip is because for many years, in the last 20 intensely, last going on 8 on YouTube alone, I have been studying exactly why life is a bitch and how beautiful, gorgeous, disenfranchised, marginalized women join secret societies with the promise of jobs and opportunity in America and other corporations and unscrupulous business ventures of corporatists, comprador elite-ist types, and other perverted violators who, when things come to a head, they make these beautiful women come to their perverted violator penis head. Their sacred, luscious, tantalizing, precious lips desecrated by sniveling, greasy scumbags while I'm alone, brokenhearted. They have convinced you that these lowly greaseballs, these warthogs, these enemies of God, these maggots, these worms, that they're your Prince Charming, and that I'm just some darky scumbag that doesn't know what the fuck he's talking about. Who's hiding from whom? Watch the next clip and keep in mind that feminist psychology, being pushed by black women who want to show off to the other feminists, the white feminists in their party, the same way the black cop tries to show off for the white cop, by leading the charge against me and also trying to show the New World Order that women can lead their race like many of the Black Lives Matter, House Nigga, Prince Hall, Boule, Eastern Star type of coons that we see subverting and co-opting and in many cases spearheading movements in the name of black betterment, civil rights, political action, and things of this nature that they know nothing about. Those indignant, treacherous, lowly hussies are quite vicious when it comes to being a vicious little tart, I assure you. A man who was rejected by others cannot reject himself. So it begs the question of what would happen if he's no longer rejected by others. Well, the world once knew.